How to spot your power cord on your RV failing before it actually goes out and burns out your breaker from your power supply. We just had to replace our surge protector, which we upgraded and got a way better one than we had. And I would most definitely say don't go the cheap way. I went the $100 way, $98 way, and come to find out later, those had a tendency of getting hot. On top of my cord being older, being original cord. My RV is a 2004 titanium, and my cord was the original from it. It was in great shape, I thought. It looked good. I had to check, it looked good, but I moved to Phoenix, Arizona, and out here the sun and where my RV is sitting, it kind of sits on that side where my panel is and where my cord lays on the ground at, and it gets hot. You got to think it's black too. It's a black cord, so it gets extremely hot being out here in the heat. So from it being older, it started failing, and one of the signs was we started losing power in the inside, like the lights wouldn't be real bright, or breakers would start tripping more often, and our water pressure even went down. And we was like, man, we almost ain't got no water pressure. So we was messing with our gauge, and we went and bought this, which is a good thing. But that wasn't the issue. It still helped, but it wasn't the issue. It was our power cord. Our power cord was burning out, and it wasn't giving the sufficient amount of power to our RV, and we was losing power, and things was tripping more often than usual. So that's the sign. So when you start seeing things tripping, and you and you losing water pressure, lights starting to get dimmer at times, and also your battery. Your battery should charge, and your converter should be running. So by that cord failing, it burnt out ACs, it burnt out converters, microwave, breakers, few sockets. So yeah, it was expensive. So just on the safe side, man, if you're ever facing some of those things, that is what to face before you happen to reach a extreme emergency. Hold on.